Garage Automotive, subscribe now.
Portages intend to twofold its energized vehicle spending is a piece of a speculation tidal wave in batteries and electric autos by worldwide automakers that now adds up to $90 billion and is growing, a Reuters investigation appears. Interests in charged vehicles reported to date incorporate in any event $19 billion via automakers in the assembled states, $21 billion in China and $52 billion in Germany. Be that as it may, U.S. What's more, German auto officials said in interviews on the sidelines of the Detroit Automobile Expo that the greater part of those speculations are reserved for China, the world's biggest auto advertiser, where the administration has authorized raising electric vehicle shares beginning in 2019. Standard automakers additionally are responding to a limited extent to weight from controllers in Europe and California to slice carbon outflows from petroleum products. They are feeling the squeeze also from Tesla's achievement in making electric cars and SUVs that motivate would-be proprietors to surge the organization with orders.